Go. Go. Do it again. Go step side to side and then do it hard.
She's recording. Fuck this.
No, I am recording. Yeah, I want to see you do it. No, no.
Let's walk away.
What are you doing? Wait, what are you throwing?
What are you putting on you?
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh shit. Hey, Randall. Here's Oh, no, it's a video.
Oh, what up, Francine?
Chan.
Still rapping.
Oh, right here, go.
Who's this for?
Hey, why does Charlotte got markers in her hand? Someone please help me understand. She wanna jump out that window. Doesn't really know. She ain't
a hoe. See? Read my mind. Read my mind right here.
Hey,
right here.
what I be doing ain't your concern. But Rodney, can you put me on MK Modder?
Oh, shit. Same here. Same here.
Hey, you better not fall asleep because I'm a John.
No. That's Allison. Oh no.
Hey,
You may be so delicious, but fuck you, I'm fucking bougie vicious.
Vicious.
Don't let me
Right here.
No, wait.
Hey, I know all you boys be wanting a kiss, but don't you know you can't touch this?
Oh, okay, MC Hammer. Okay, MC Hammer.
I'm touching it.
What is that?
It's still going down. It's still going. It's still going. Let me get one. Hello.
Wait, did you come from the apartment at all?
No, they're at the apartment right now.
How come they're not answering that? It's in this car. He needs to get inside. The door's locked.
What the hell?
No, she gave someone her. No, don't. She gave someone.
Okay. I gave Elmira my keys.
He said he's gonna grab it.
Who's
Wait, I don't even have the keys though. I gave my keys to Elmira.
Exactly.
Shit. We're ending this now. Alright, me and Min are ending this. Peace.